KCC's memory foam massage table is an interesting middle ground. It leans into comfort features, a top memory foam layer, while staying affordable for semi-pro and home studio buyers. The KCC listing I checked advertises a 5 cm tilde 2-inch comfort top, 2 cm memory foam plus 3 cm base foam, beech hardwood frame, adjustable leg heights, and a carrying case with storage pockets. The memory foam top genuinely improves the sinking in feel compared to standard 2PU foam, so clients who prefer softer support will notice and appreciate the difference immediately. The build aims for a pro feel, FSC certified woods, reinforced corner blocks, and a claimed working capacity in the high hundreds depending on the SKU. Setup is standard: fold, flip, pop legs out and tighten knobs, no tools. The table ships with common accessories, adjustable headrest, armrests, bolsters, and a pouch depending on the kit. Pricing sits in the mid-range for portable tables. Some listings I checked were around $200 to $250 depending on configuration, making it a solid option if you want memory foam comfort without stepping up to the $500 plus premium tier. Customer reviews on the listing are generally positive for comfort and value. A chunk of buyers praise the memory foam and portability, while a minority note finish or shipping issues. If you're upgrading from a basic PU foam bed and want a noticeably more comfortable feel for clients without a professional price tag, the KCC memory foam model is a convincing compromise, and we share by links in description box.